Hello friends, welcome to Losers. Today we are going to see about important current affairs year 2021. Let's get started. Which union minister has been elected as the board of member of the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization? And the answer is option A, Dr. Harsha Vardhan. India's highest meteorological center has been set up in which place by the Indian Meteorological Department? Option and the correct answer is option B, Leh. Where was India's first pollinator park opened recently? The answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is the right answer. And fourth question is, where is Tansen Samora, a classic music festival held annually? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is Tansen Samora happened. Where was Tihan Foundation, India's first testbed for autonomous navigation system established? The answer is IIT Hyderabad. IIT Hyderabad Tihan Foundation. Who among the following has been conferred with the prestigious Eminent Engineer Award for the year 2020? Eminent Engineer Award Vinod Kumar Yadav. Eminent Engineer Award Vinod Kumar Yadav. And eighth one, who among the following has been conferred with the prestigious Tansen Saman 2020? Tansen Saman, the answer is Sadish Vyas. Tansen Saman, Sadish Vyas. What is the theme of Mother Teresa Memorial Award for Social Justice 2020? The answer is option B. Celebrating compassion in times of COVID. Celebrating compassion in times of COVID. And 10th one is, who has been appointed as the new chairman of Steel Authority of India Limited? Chairman of Steel Authority of India Limited, Soma Mandal. The answer is Soma Mandal. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and CEO of Railway Board? Chairman and CEO of Railway Board is Sunit Sharma. Sunit Sharma. And 12th one, who among the following is author of new book Vahana Masterclass? Vahana Masterclass author. The answer is Alfredo Covelli. The answer is Alfredo Covelli. And 13th one, who among the following became India's 67th Grandmaster? Leon Mendonca. And 14th one, which of the following movie will open 51st International Film Festival of India in Goa? First opening movie in Windows. Another round. Another round is the right answer. And the 15th one, who among the following has released the inaugural issue of National Police K9 Journal in New Delhi? Amit Shah. Amit Shah. 15th one, World Braille Day is observed globally on dash since 2019. The answer is 4th January. The answer is 4th January. And 17th one, who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of the Common High Court for Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir and Union Territory of Ladakh? Pankaj Mittal is the right answer. New Chief Justice Pankaj Mittal. And 18th one, which two-wheeler company is the world's first company become most valuable globally? Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto. Who among the following has been elected President of All India Chess Federation? All India Chess Federation President. The answer is Sanjay Kapoor. The answer is Sanjay Kapoor. Who among the following has been appointed as Chairman of All India Gem and Jewellery Domestic Council? All India Gem and Jewellery Domestic Council, Ashish Pedde. Ashish Pedde is right answer. Who among the following took charge as Deputy Chief of Army Staff recently? Who took? Shantanu Dayal. Shantanu Dayal is the right answer. Pangong Lake is situated in Ladakh. The right answer is Ladakh. Pangong Lake, Ladakh. Toycathon is related to Toy Manufacturing Hub and that is launched by Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Toycathon 2021, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Name the state who recently launched Launchpad scheme for boys and girls coming out of childcare institution and having completed 18 years. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh launched Launchpad scheme. Where is Indian scientific expedition to Antarctica was flagged off on January 5th, 2021. Goa. Goa Indian scientific expedition to Antarctica was flagged. Which country is developing the world's first wood-based space satellite to combat growing problem of space debris? Japan. Japan developing world's first wood-based satellite. The medium-range surface-to-air missile defense system was tested by India recently. It has been developed by DRDO collaboration with Israel. Name the author of the book India's 71st Year Test, The Journey to Trimbin, Australia. The right answer is Kaushik, the author. Who among the following has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh High Court? Anup Kumar Goswami. Google Cloud has announced the elevation of Dash as its new leader for the Asia Pacific. Karan Bajwa. Karan Bajwa is Google Cloud's new leader for Asia Pacific. Name the first female match official in the men's test match when she takes up the fourth umpire's role. The answer is Claire Polosak. President-elect Joe Biden will nominate federal appeals judge Dash to be the next U.S. Attorney General. Right answer is Merrick Garland. Which state has launched the Krish Sanjeevani vans to take labs to agriculture field to study soil, water and suggest pest control? Karnataka. Justice Hima Kohli has been appointed as the first ever Chief Justice High Court of Telangana. Hima Kohli, first ever Chief Justice in Telangana. The world's first double-stack long-haul container train was run between which states? The right answer is Haryana and Rajasthan. 36th. A general manager at RBI Dash has authored his debut book right under our nose. The answer is Giridharan. Name the Indian American who has taken over as the first Chief Information Officer of the US Army. The answer is Raj Iyer. And 38th one, Dash has been appointed British High Commissioner to India. The answer is Alexander Ellis. Alexander Ellis has been appointed as British High Commissioner to India. Which state UT launched the Sadak Nagrik mobile app with relation to corruption? Jammu and Kashmir. Sadak Nagrik mobile app related to corruption. Abhishek Yadav was appointed as the first Deputy General Secretary of which of the following sports federation? The answer is football. Abhishek Yadav appointed as Deputy General Secretary of Football. What is the theme of EduCon 2020 that is launched by Ramesh Pokhriyal? Envisioning education for transforming youth to restoring global peace. That is the right answer. Envisioning education for transforming youth to restore global peace. NRA Day is January 9. That is called by Bharatiya Divas. What is the theme of that NRA Day? Contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat. 43rd. What is the currency of Central African Republic? Franc. Franc is the right answer. Currency of Central African Republic, franc. A passenger plane of Indonesia Air carrying 62 people on board crashed into waters of Jakarta. What was the name of that plane? Boeing 737-500. What is the theme of National Youth Day 2021, which celebrated January 12? Channelizing youth power for nation building. Theme of National Youth Day 2021. In Henley Passport Index 2001, Japan is top. What is the rank of India in Henley Passport India Index 2021? 85th rank. India's rank is 85th rank in Henley Passport Index 2021. Who is the author of the book The Population Myth, Islam, Family Planning and Politics in India? S.Y. Qureshi is the Population Myth, Islam, Family Planning and Politics of India book author. Which country was the host of the One Planet Summit 2021 held in collaboration with UN and World Bank in the theme of Let's Act Together for Nature? France. Let's Act Together for Nature theme for France. The fourth edition of the Cherry Blossom Festival was virtually inaugurated in Manipur. The fourth edition of Cherry Blossom Festival virtually inaugurated in Manipur. Okay, Manipur. Which hospital won the Kyle Cup Award for the third consecutive year this time? The right answer is AIIMS Bhubaneswar. The 51st question is, as per the Digital Evolution Scorecard 2020 by Tufts University Fletcher School, what is the rank of India in breakout economics? India's rank in breakout economics is 4. Sadir Japarov has won the presidential election of which country? Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan is the right answer. And 53rd, in India, the Armed Forces Veterans Day is observed each year on dash. The right answer is 14th January. In India, Armed Forces Veterans Day is observed each year on 14th January. 14th January. Which of the following state inaugurated Fire Park to educate and bring awareness on basic fire and safety measures among people, particularly the students? Fire Park for Odisha. Odisha inaugurated Fire Park. And 55th, who has appointed as the chairman of Telecom Equipment and Service Export Promotion Council? Sandeep Agarwal appointed as the chairman of Telecom Equipment and Service Export Promotion Council. Okay. 56th, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has unveiled India's first driverless metro car for which city? Mumbai. First driverless metro car is for Mumbai. Who among the following has been appointed as President of UN Human Rights Council for 2021? Nasrat Shamim Khan. Option D is the right answer. Which ministry has organized the month-long mass awareness campaign titled Saksham? Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Who is the author of the book The Commonwealth of Cricket? Author of The Commonwealth of Cricket. The right answer is Ramchandra Guha. The right answer is Ramchandra Guha. And 60th question is, the 55th edition of the International Film Festival of India conferred of the Indian Personality of the Year award. Bishwadit Chatterjee is the right answer. 51st edition International Film Festival of India conferred the Indian Personality of the Year. Who is India's first COVID vaccine recipient? Manish Kumar. Manish Kumar is the right answer. And 62nd question is, which state has emerged on top in the NITI Aayog India's Innovation Index? Karnataka. India's Innovation Index tops Karnataka. And that's the end of video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. And thank you. A very good luck to you for your exams. Thank you.